Y'all know I have been stacking my silver. I went and made a huge purchase on silver just about a week and a half ago. I've also continued to buy some silver and make a few videos on it, as you guys can see right here. I posted this video on silver just last week, and since then silver is already up 8% from the time of that post. Now the silver that I'm currently holding in my hand, as well as this silver right here, is already up over $300, so I thought it was time to talk about it. It is very interesting to see that you can hold something in your hand, and when I bought this, it was cheaper than what I own it for now just about a week later, which is pretty crazy. So I do want to go ahead and break that down and talk a little bit about it. I also do want to talk about some of the cool coins that I've gotten, as I have just gotten this Tyler Durden. If anybody knows about Fight Club, I just got this Tyler Durden coin, which is very, very cool. I also got an Aztec calendar coin. So all these coins are really, really fun. It's fun to collect these coins. It is a bit of a hobby, but with a hobby with appreciating assets, this is like the coolest thing ever. So it has really gotten me to dive in a little bit more. I'm very, very happy with my purchase. I'm currently up over $320 on this right now. So let's go ahead and dive into the chart, talk about what silver is looking like right now. Then we'll come back, talk a little bit more about the coins. Now, taking a look here at silver, we can see that silver has been absolutely killing it, now passing all-time highs. Now, I do want to first put out, I did put this out in the Discord, as you guys can see right here, back around right here when we were breaking out, and obviously you guys can see we got that breakout, so a little bit of kudos to me and the boys over in the Discord. We had some silver leaps, and those are up over 50% now, so those are looking absolutely amazing. Now, currently the price of silver is over $56.37. This is on silver futures right here. We are looking just amazing, guys. This is crazy. You guys can see how good this chart looks right here. We have this clear cup and handle formation on the 4-hour time frame, broke through that double top at all-time highs, and now we are moving through our one extension, looking like we're heading straight for our 1618 extension at $60. Now, silver is looking so bullish that I seriously think that we could finish over $60 by the end of this year, which would represent well over a 100% return for silver on the year-to-date time frame. Now, with this being said, I think that silver can move all the way up past 80 to 100 to $120 before 2030. I seriously believe that the next couple of years is going to be very, very bullish for silver. Now, I do also want to talk about a very important fact, and I should have honestly mentioned this earlier in the video, but silver futures were halted the other day, and there is rumor to be said that the reason that they halted this silver was because the banks did not have enough silver to cover what people were buying, meaning that they had to halt it so they could literally go buy more silver for people that are buying these assets on the charts. Now, I don't know if that's true. I don't even know how I'd find out if that's true. I just want to put that out there because I saw that from multiple sources, so it is something to at least keep in the back of your head. Now, with our next target being talked about here, I do want to switch out to the monthly time frame, where you guys can see we are looking absolutely crazy on the monthly time frame. We are absolutely ready to explode. And as I do switch over to the gold time frame real quick, I want to show you guys exactly what this looks like. Beautiful cup and handle, a little bit of consolidation, absolutely exploding, absolutely exploding. Oh my god, up 116%. Silver right here, look at this. We are in a 45-year cup and handle right here. Oh my god. So we might see a little bit of consolidation right here, but honestly, I don't think so because of all the bullish news that we have heard about silver. People are literally lining up at the door at pawn shops to try and buy this stuff. So I think we could see a similar move, and this similar move for silver would be a little bit better than gold's, honestly. And this would take us up to around $124, which is up 125% from prices today. Whew, got me damn tired here, but geez, I am so excited about silver here because this looks absolutely insanely bullish. I think at bare minimum we see $80, and even at $80, that is about a gain of about 50%. 50% exactly from prices today. So nonetheless, we are seeing a great growth come in with a good physical long-term hold like silver or gold. Once again, I definitely would recommend going with physical over, buying it within a stock, just because a lot of these stocks do not have the amount of silver that is being bought from them, if that makes sense. So, say there's $1 billion of people buying silver, but they only have, 500 million worth of silver. That is what it is looking like for these, stock holdings of silver, stuff like SLV or other things like that, like GLD, other things, even like CEG. So stuff like that, I would definitely go with the physical silver is what I would 100% recommend. But nonetheless, we are looking absolutely amazing on the chart here. I do want to point out that my average cost on the gold that I do currently own is right around $52. Now, what that means is with the current price sitting at $56, I am now up on my 50 ounces, up around $300 right now. We are looking absolutely amazing. I want to see this continue to grow. I also want to see more silver come into my pockets. Hopefully Christmas is coming around. Maybe I can get some silver from the relatives, whatever that may be. Maybe we'll have a good little winter, killing it trading, and we'll see some good stuff. But I do also want to talk about this coin is just so pretty. I don't know. Fight Club's one of my favorite movies, so I don't even know. I gotta do it like one of those girls showing off makeup. But yeah, here you go. I mean, I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is about that, but I love it. It's just so sick. It is so sick. So, if you guys are interested on any of the other silver videos that I have posted, I posted one about a week ago where I talk about a week ago, when I talked about how to start stacking silver and about my silver stacking journey. So make sure you guys do check that out. It is going to be linked in the description down below. It is a very cool video where I show you guys all of the coins that I bought, all the different variants of coins that I bought, and why I bought those coins. Now, make sure you guys do check that video out as it is very interesting, but that is really going to wrap it up for me in today's video. I want to make a quick video breaking all of this down. As you guys can tell, it was a very quick video because I am out of breath like an old man. I can't breathe. I don't know what it is. I got allergies in the middle of the winter. I don't know what's going on. But anyways, make sure you guys do drop a like, subscribe, comment down below if you guys want to see any more breakdowns like this on silver. If you guys are interested on silver, I'll keep making these videos. If not, let me know. I'll stop. Simple. Now, once again, check out the 2 videos that are going to be on each side of me right now, and I will see y'all in the next one. Happy holidays.